everybody! It is the third episode of Spooktober 2018. And what we decided to do for this episode is we decided to revisit an old favorite. We decided to go back to the $10 HAUL-o-Ween. But this time, the past couple of years I've done these, it didn't really turn out the way I wanted it to. Things were just too dang expensive.
Everything at Spirit Halloween is overpriced garbage.
Yeah.
Unless they want to sponsor us.
Yeah, if you guys want to sponsor me, hello. But, yeah, so we tried $10 Halloweens at Target. We tried $10 Halloweens at Spirit. We tried them, I think we tried them...
We might have done a Walmart one.
We might have done, I don't remember exactly, but point is, they weren't great. And I loved the concept because Halloween is awesome. Duh, that's why I devote a whole month to it.
And saving money is also awesome. So if we can showcase that there's nice stuff out there for people trying to get spoopy on a budget,
then heck, let's go for it. So we decided to try somewhere new today. We decided to go to an actual dollar store. So we ended up at our local Dollar Tree, which is a place that, honestly, I'd never been before.
We've been to dollar stores, we just hadn't been to that location.
Yeah, I've been to dollar stores before, I've been to Dollar Trees before, but I'd never been to this particular Dollar Tree. And we got some footage while we were there, so I'm gonna splice that in right after this. There's HAUL-o at the dollar store. The HAUL-o store? That's Christmas, but that's Halloween. That's Halloween. Media, including... Hey, anybody remember that this got made? With Cara Delevingne and whoever that guy is. Wow. And what we found was that there was a lot of really cool, great things for literally just $1. So, as the challenge states, it is the $10 haul. You cannot spend more than $10, including tax.
So you have a $10 bill with which to buy things.
$10 bill. So we both went and decided to see what we could find for $10. And with that, let's begin. As you can see, I have a very stuffed bag over here of all kinds of things. And I think the first thing we're going to have to take out is this really, really cute witch's hat. And I like this because it is a metallic silver spiderweb pattern.
That picks up great on the camera.
Cool. So I'm just gonna actually, you know what, YOLO, let's put this on.
We'll say they had two different sizes. They had a kid size and an adult size, and they had different
patterns.
Like a purple one.
Yeah, they had a purple one with bats, and then they had this one. I think they had another one that I wasn't really super paying attention to, but
adorable.
I like it. It's shiny. I like shiny.
That's really cute, actually.
So this was like the first thing that I saw when we walked in, and I was just like, I want a hat. But I only saw the kitty ones at first, so I was like, I don't want that hat.
Look, she almost got the kitty one. If there wasn't an adult one, we were just
I was literally just gonna get the kids one
through.
But right now, I've got my perfect spooky witch's hat, and now I feel like I can really... This was, again, $1. So I feel like I can proceed on with the next things that I purchased. And these are not going to be in the order that I obtained them, just the order that I removed them from the bag.
Also, it was one US dollar. We
yes,
are not
one
located
US
in Canada. I know there are dollar stores in Canada. I think there are also dollar stores in Australia.
So, yes, there are. The next thing I found is this cute little spooky witch ghost. And it's got a little hanging strap. And then actually it came in 3 different colors. There were green, there were orange, and there were purple.
But this was the only green one left, and I thought it was just the cutest little thing. I love sheet ghosts. I think sheet ghosts are about the cutest freaking things in the world. So I got her to hang up probably in my living room, probably to annoy, maybe not annoy, but, you know, show off to my fiance. And again, $1. We also got, and this is a cool, this actually reminded me of my friend Brooke. This is a light up purple sparkly owl. And the cool thing about it is, first off, the eyes flicker, which is extra spooky. It is really cute.
But I also have several pieces of my Halloween decor are already this same type of glitter. So I actually have a purple glitter skull that matches this. Like, I'm pretty sure it's an exact match. Super excited. I also have a black glitter pumpkin and a black glitter spider somewhere. I just need to find them. But
I think those guys are from Target.
Yeah, those are from Target.
Significantly more.
But this is from the dollar store, and then again cost $1. It's so cute. It's so cute. Next, because you guys know I'm sucker for skeletons, and you guys know I'm sucker for things that glow in the dark, we have a glow-in-the-dark skeleton.
Now, I'm going to see if we can manage something here. Does it show at all that he glows? Oh, okay, yeah, it does illuminate him just the littlest bit.
But it's not the most anatomically correct figure.
No,
that's okay. It doesn't have to be.
It does certainly... Oh, that'll glow nicely in in the dark. We don't have any dark right now.
Yeah, it's like 5 o'clock.
What a weird way of saying that.
We don't have any
dark. We don't have any dark right now.
But I figured, you know, I can never turn down a skeleton. I mean, it's my Halloween decor du jour.
Check on Instagram to see for some pictures of that guy glowing his best.
Again, $1.
I think he also hangs?
Shaking his bones. He does hang. He's got a little bungee elastic cord up at the top.
Oh, I love him.
Next, okay, so next, we're still in the decor aisle, and I cannot stress how impressed I was with all of the stuff at the Dollar Tree, because I walked out with this awesome mirror. I mean, yes, it's plastic, and yes, that's not like actual mirror, but it is a mirrored surface. There is reflection in it. You might be able to even see the camera in it, as far as I can tell.
Oh, I hope you can't see me.
But, oh, I like this house so much.
It's a really nice $1 decoration.
Yeah, for $1, I was so impressed. And that's a really nice skull, too. Like, this is the kind of thing that I would probably keep up year-round, because this just fits into my current decor. Like, I mean, it's vaguely damask patterned, and it's got them curly cues and, like, fancy goth shit. Yeah. So again, $1.
That would be like $8 at Spirit for the same quality.
Same quality. Next up, I picked up this adorable set of glittery bat stickers.
Oh, I didn't see those!
Aha. Yeah, I tried to get stuff that Karen didn't see as I put it into my little basket, but that was really hard.
Because I was there, I was filming those clips before.
These are kind of like puffy foam stickers, and they'd probably be good for like scrapbooking or for putting onto like Halloween cards if you're giving those to your children or your neighbors or your enemies or whatever.
If your kids are doing crafts and they want to make cards for grandma and their friends.
They're super cute. Black and purple, and there's like
silver.
A couple rows of silver ones too. I liked them. I will always find a use for these. So again, $1. Next, you guys saw this in the intro a bit, but who am I to turn down some HAUL-o? We have a small strand of hollow skull garland, and it's about 2 feet long. So it's not a lot. Like, I wouldn't be able to decorate a Christmas tree or anything with it. But
it's 9 feet.
It's 9 feet? Oh, yeah. It's 9 feet. I thought it was 2 feet. I can't read.
No, that's 2 feet, Elyse.
Oh. Ignore me.
It's like
So yeah, this is like a decently long strand of garland for, again, $1. Garland is a little weird at times. Like, obviously, it's
a little bit more budget friendly.
Well, you could put it on the
But-
ficus.
I can put this on the ficus. I can put this around my headboard.
That would be really cute.
It's $1. It is $1.
They are actual hollow
It's
skulls.
actual hollow. It's not like fake hollow or anything like that. And
You can get hollow at the dollar store.
You can get hollow at the dollar store. So, hello, everyone. I am covered in glitter now. This is really funny.
There are worse problems to have.
Okay, I've only got 2 things left. I'm gonna save the one thing for last. But I bought a set of Palmer Yummy Mummies.
I didn't see you got a
Yeah,
candy.
I didn't. How can I go and do something Halloween without actually getting a candy? So we picked up. They are
We have to taste
white
them.
chocolate flavored with peanut butter. So I'm gonna open these up because duh,
Taste
of
test
course,
in the middle of
taste
our
test.
haul.
Taste test in the haul. Ooh, they smell good.
Well,
I like Palmer chocolates. I know Palmer chocolates kind of get a rap for being kind of waxy. I like them.
They're really good for like Easter baskets and goodie bags and stuff like that.
Ooh. Oh, it's soft. This is really tasty. Mmm.
Oh my god.
Mmm.
Palmer, you devil.
Palmer
These are
is
good.
really-
I love Palmer Easter candy. I'm so glad they have it at Halloween.
But $1 for a good treat. This would be good for like goodie bags for if you're like, you know, homeroom mom for your kids' school or something.
Uh-huh.
Or if you're me and you just want snacks all the time,
Yeah.
$1.
You could probably get a bigger bag at a better value at a different store, but we weren't at a different store. We were at Dollar
But
Tree.
last, this was actually advertised on the door on the way in, and I turned to
We
Karen and I
saw it.
said, if they have these, I'm buying one. It is a light and sound skeleton wolf. Lights up and howls. So let me just turn this.
They
body-
did also have cats.
The eyes flash, and he howls.
Hold him up to the mic. Wow, I didn't realize he had so much to say about it.
But yeah,
Oh, I love it.
They had cats too, but as we know, I am not a cat person. I am very much a skeleton wolf person.
I'm really confused by how they think skeletons work, but okay.
Listen, we
Oh.
never. They've got skeleton spiders and scorpions at Target. Those don't exist at all.
Yeah,
But
that dog has
again,
ears.
$1. Now I do not have my receipt up here, but my grand total at the dollar store today came to $9 and like 53 cents. Which I don't think I have ever successfully completed a $10 haul with this much stuff under budget. So I know a lot of the big box stores I've noticed that their Halloween selections this year are a little repeating. Like stuff that you've seen in previous years. There's nothing too new and too distinct. But give your local dollar stores a check. I made out like a bandit. So I think that is our most successful $10 haul yet. And I'm super excited. If you guys are struggling to get into the Halloween spirit and you want to find some just like cheap, cute, small things to maybe throw around your office, throw around your room to kind of make you feel a little bit more spooky, check out your local dollar store.
You're a teacher with a classroom. Dollar store. If you can bring small things to work to decorate your cube or your desk
Dollar
or your
store.
workstation.
Dollar store.
If you are in a dorm.
Dollar store.
They have lights. We didn't buy any
Yeah,
lights.
there were so many things that I did not get that I wanted to, decor-wise.
We had to make real decisions on what we were going to buy
It was
and
tough.
not buy.
It was really tough.
Instead of finding just like the only things we could, we had to turn things
We actually
down.
got to make a choice, and that was really cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. Question of the day: what is your best inexpensive Halloween find? Let me know in the comments down below. My social media links are in the description below. If you'd like to see more from this channel, if you'd like to see more Spooptober videos, I will be linking a playlist at the end of this. Hit the little subscribe button, click the little bell if you want to stay in the know, the bell's the way to go. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Later!